Hey guys, I know sometimes you just want to give your real hair a total break without putting on extra weight or spending hours at the salon. Just your natural hair doing what it does best. No weave, no heavy packs, no added stress on your scalp. Cornrows on natural hair are just so reliable. They hold down your hair, keep your moisture locked in, and save you from having to style your hair every single morning. And the best part about this hairstyle is you can take them anywhere from super chill to full on glam, depending on how you are feeling for the week. This hairstyle is the lifesaver for those who always wear wigs. If you are having a busy week and just want your hair neat and out of your face, plain natural braids are the answer. They look super clean, take minimal time to finish, and let your hair breathe. But if you are stepping out and want to switch things up, you can get stylish. The exact same natural hair can be styled into zigzag, curved parts, Fulani parts, stylish tribal braids parts, cute hat design that turn heads instantly. It all depends on your choice and the style you want them to create using your natural hair. Now, if you want to make the whole look pop, add some beads to the end. This completely changes the energy. You get that fun wave, that pretty bounce when you walk, and that soft clinking sound whenever you move your head. It takes a simple natural hairstyle and gives it so much character. For me, one thing I love about natural cornrow braids is how comfortable it feels. It's light on your head, super easy to sleep on at night, and soft on your edges so you don't have to worry about breakage. A little scalp oil every few days, and your hair stays healthy the entire time it's braided down. Natural braids is an easy and protective hairstyle, and it lets your real texture shine. So which vibe are you going for? Are you keeping it plain, trying out cool styles, or adding beads to make it stand out? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. So which vibe are you going for? Are you keeping it plain, trying out cool styles, or adding beads to make it stand out? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.